Hey guys, I wanted to do a garden tour this year, beginning to end, but I totally forgot the day that I was actually planting. And now they're actually growing. They've got blooms. I even have one tomato on, but I still wanted to bring you out. So this tomato plant really isn't meant to be there. I just stuck it in there to keep it alive. And then we have a few strawberries over here. We have a few more strawberries there. And also there. These are not doing well at all. So I think we may scrap it and start over in that pot. And then I like to plant marigolds around my veggies, so we have those. Those are leftovers, basically. I haven't deadheaded those, but there's some that are bigger. And then right here, these two plants, I swear it looks like they've grown 2 feet over the past couple of days with all this rain. And then here's another. Our local high school, I guess it's the FFA group, they have a greenhouse down there and they propagate plants, and so I went this year and that's where all these plants came from. Look at this one. If I had gotten out here a day earlier, you would have seen how small they were. Gardening always makes me laugh when you see things like this. Now right down here is our first tomato. And I just have a couple of 5-gallon buckets out here to catch rainwater. It's so much better than tap water. So here's another one looking good. All tomatoes out here this year. These are the chives that came through winter. They've already bloomed, and I need to pull out all of the dead. And my aunt says cut them back too and let them start over. So. I'm not sure if you can hear all the traffic. You can tell I live right here in the city limits. This one, although looks big and healthy, has the least amount of blooms, which I know it's way early for them to be blooming, but just wanted to give you a quick look. That way when we come back out and we're harvesting, you'll kind of remember what it was like before and what you can do in just pots on your deck. Last year I did have some cucumbers out here. I decided not to do that. I didn't want to deal with the bugs. Okay, so it's a nice morning. One other thing I was going to show you is I have some bags down there as well that I'm going to work on to put herbs in. I wanted to move some vegetables down there, but since I do have this little valley behind the house, we have a ton of deer. Deer, foxes, I see groundhogs, rabbits, and let's see what else we have back there. Totally blank. But anyway, the deer is what I was most concerned about, eating down whatever I plant. So I haven't done that yet. But anyway, you guys have a great week. Well, just a quick update after a few days of rain, what that's done for the plants here. still sprinkling, even with the sun out today. And here are the first tomatoes. We got 4 there. Just looking around to see if there's any other tomatoes peeping out yet. Looks like mostly blooms right now. We also have these flowers. They look much better before the rain. So anyway, guys, it's just a beautiful day. And I wanted to update you on the garden just that quick. Tomatoes are funny like that.